Image Resize plugin helps you to edit, rotate or resize the image attachment in your QuickBase record directly from your phone or tablet device. Once you configure the plugin with your QuickBase table, Resize icon will be shown on all supported files. Tap the file you would like to resize. Crop, rotate or resize the image as per your need and tap Save. The file will be automatically saved back to the record. Tap Resize again to view the edited file. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arc1.dev.